Hi guys, whoops. Hi guys, welcome back now to this video about me saying that if you watched my previous video about unboxing the Lufthansa A350 and KLM B787, I said something about unboxing this Southwest airplane, and this was from Gemini Jets of the Southwest airplane. So anyways, I'm gonna now unbox it because last time it came in like badly damaged, I think. Yeah, last time, and it was a YouTube short, and there it is here to open it. Almost got it. Okay, I think it's here. Oh, yep, there it is. Just let me move that. Alright, I'm gonna close the box. No, actually, I'm not gonna close it yet. I need to take out the plane. Alright, there it is. Let me, oh god, hold on. Hold on. Hold on, let me unbox. Just remove. Alright, guys, there it is. Oh, wait, what? What up, guys? Because on the note, look at it. I really thought it would be returned, but guys, I really thought I get a new one of this, but it's not. It's still completely badly damaged. But at this point, I might just get a different 737 Gemini at this point. Like, guys, what in the world? What happened? Like genuinely, hold up. Bro, what's this, bro? Let's look over here, bro. What's happened here? Bro, again here. It's broken off. Like, what's this, man? Okay. Yeah, I think this might have to be returned, this one. Just this, bro. Guys, I don't know what's going on. Now the Southwest Airlines plane, it's still damaged. Like, it's... Well, why does it have to be damaged? At this point, at least a different 737 Gemini, bro. This is a 1 to 400 scale. How can this small one literally just be, like, damaged? Like, come on, bro. That's not nice. I'm gonna end the video here. I don't know what happened, but this is not right at all. Alright, well, I'm gonna go. Bye, guys. Bye.